Sanyo,
here's a 1993 White-Westinghouse. You're gonna get a startup and shutdown of.
Here's a 93 White.
Here's a 93. Everybody's saying it.
This unit sat outside
Lethal
for
attack.
20 years, so we cleaned it up yesterday.
Amazingly, it still runs with full charge.
I'm very shocked about that.
Yeah.
Runs full charge. We just cleaned it up yesterday.
Sanyo rotary compressor.
1993.
Here's the
Focus.
1800
which
BT.
is
There you go.
I already have a picture of the data from when I was.
White-Westy.
I just have the model.
Damn, my flash is.
The Commando 8 in real life.
Commando 8 IRL.
We're gonna do a startup for the Commando 8.
All right, let's go.
Okay?
Fire.
Oh.
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining.
Straighten out the coils as best as I could.
We tried.
That's blowing out cold.
Shouldn't
Here is medium.
be surprised there's dinosaur juices in it.
Medium.
And here's high.
It's had a good amount of air.
You see, we straightened out the coils to the best of our ability.
Yeah. We tried. We tried.
And here's in between.
Smooth running Sanyo compressor. Oh, we're attacking this thing.
We're attacking this
Lethal attack.
And let the compressor do the talking.
Yeah, let the compressor do the talking.
Sorry.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, that feels good.
It's hot as hell. Oh yeah.
Let that run for about
Shall we shut it off?
20 minutes.
Gotta shut it off.
Right.
That's about it.
That's it for this. Should be it.
Surprised that compressor sounds so good given how rotted it is.
It's not rotted at all.
Moving to the next one.
Though you saw where it was all corroded and the bottom.
It's rusted, but it's not like rotted through.
The compressor, the mount it's on is fine.
I know. It's just,
He's talking about the base pan.
when I first saw the compressor, I thought it was rotted through completely.
All right.